Have you been hearing about ZBCN everywhere, but don't know how to actually buy it? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'll walk you step by step in the simplest possible way from zero knowledge to becoming a proud ZBCN holder. By the end of this video, you'll know what exactly ZBCN is, why people are buying it, which platforms support it, how to create an account safely, how to buy ZBCN in real time, and finally, how to store it securely for the long term. 1. Understanding ZBCN, brief history of Zebec network and ZBCN token. Real-world utility, continuous payments, DeFi integrations, ecosystem. Why investors are attracted. Where ZBCN stands compared to other altcoins. Importance of doing your own research before investing. Use examples. Compare ZBCN to Ethereum or Solana for context. 2. Choosing the right exchange. Explain what a crypto exchange is. Centralized exchanges, CEX, e.g. Binance, KuCoin, MEXC. Decentralized exchanges, DEX, e.g. Radium, Orca, if ZBCN is listed. Pros and cons of each. How to check if an exchange supports ZBCN. Example walkthrough, open CoinMarketCap, search ZBCN, see Markets tab, list of available exchanges. 3. Creating an account step-by-step on centralized exchange. Sign up, go to exchange website/app, click sign up, enter email/phone, create strong password, enable 2FA, two-factor authentication, complete KYC, upload ID, selfie, address proof. Tips for safety, never share passwords, use official app/website only, beware of phishing links. 4. Depositing funds. Different ways to add money, bank transfer, fiat to USTD, credit/debit card purchase, peer-to-peer, P2P, trading for USDT. Example, if you live in the USA, you can link your bank account directly. If you live in India, you might prefer P2P USDT purchase, then convert it to ZBCN. Show how to check balance once USDT is added. 5. Buying ZBCN live walkthrough. Example, go to markets. Search for ZBCN/USDT pair. Choose between market order and limit order. Market order equals instant buy at current price. Limit order equals buy at your chosen price. Enter amount of ZBCN to buy. Click buy. Confirmation, how to see ZBCN in your spot wallet. 6. Storing your ZBCN safely. Why storage matters, not your keys, not your coins. Hot wallets versus cold wallets. Recommended wallets, Phantom Wallet, if Solana-based. MetaMask, if ERC20 bridge. Hardware wallets, Ledger Trezor. Show step-by-step of transferring from exchange to wallet. Double-checking wallet address before sending. 7. Extra tips and best practices. Always double-check token contract address to avoid scams. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Track your portfolio using apps like CoinGecko or Delta. Stay updated with Zebec's official social media. Join communities like Telegram, Discord, Twitter, but be cautious of fake groups. Congratulations. If you followed along, you now know exactly how to buy ZBCN, from understanding the token to picking the right exchange to buying and storing it safely. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and share this with a friend who's struggling to buy their first tokens. Drop a comment below. Are you planning to buy ZBCN for long-term holding or just for trading? I'd love to hear your strategy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next deep dive.